Hey guys, I'm driving right now. I'm stuck at a red light. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. Right? I think it's afternoon. And I'm going to SBI branch because I'd taken a loan from them. And the loan was over on 24th, but these jerks are calling me that the loan installment is left. Last week also came, and this woman, she's like, आप email कर दो और आपको call आ जाएगा कि ख़त्म हो गया है. And they're fucking useless. And I'm going again. The second time I'm going to blast them totally today because there's no reason I should have to go to the branch in such heat. And this is the second time going in 2 weeks now. And then I paid back the loan. So I'm going there right now. I've hit the gym in the morning today and I'm done with the gym. What did I do in the gym today? I think it was upper body. What it was, I forgot what it was. I'll बाद में आता है बताता हूँ. So I'm going to SBI branch right now. Then go work somewhere, and then I have 2 shows in the evening. In the middle, I'll sit and write somewhere and plan some stuff. I need to try and make some money so that even till I get viral, till my videos start working and something works. So I need to work on that. So there's a lot of work to do. That's what I'm going to do. But let me deal with this SBI idiots first. Hey guys, so I returned from SBI. And I realized it's taken all my day because all my energy is gone. And sitting there, I waited for half an hour. Then this junior associate was not available. The loan officer was anyways not available. She was on leave, and this junior associate had no idea what was going on. So she directed me to the branch manager. And the branch manager says 10,000 something is due. But how? Like I already paid 36 installments, including the principal and the interest. Everything has been paid, so there should not be anything due. So I was like, how is it due? So she had no idea. So now she's like, we'll get it checked, write us an email. And I'd already written an email on the 29th. So she saw the email and she's like, now we'll get back to you. So yeah, I'll have to wait. But as far as I'm concerned, the loan is paid. And I won't pay anything extra. Because I think I paid everything. So let's see what does it come back with. Came back home because I got really hungry. Because in the morning I had eaten after a break of 16 hours. I had dinner at 6 p.m. last evening, and then today I ate at about 11. That's over 16, between 16 to 17 hours of fast overnight. Plus I had gym also in the morning. So yeah, I've observed my fast today. Then I had breakfast, but then I got really hungry when I got back from SBI, and I was like, if I have to eat something, I'll eat the home food. There's a lot of food still there, which mummy had made. So I've had lunch, but the problem is it's not 3:30, and I'm thinking what to do. I plan to go somewhere and sit and write, but I need a few hours for that, and I don't know if I'll do that anymore because I keep pushing that. It only happens once or twice a week that I manage to go sit there and write. So I'm thinking what to do. Let's see. I'll update you in the next few clips how the rest of the day goes. Hey guys, I'm walking into Galleria right now, but that's not the point. The point is that I was driving and I got a rush spot to go to a comedy club because it got available, and I was rushing, right? So there's a car ahead of me and I was out trying to get out of the parking lot, and there's a guy ahead of me and he hit stop right in the middle of the road. And like when that happens, I get angry. I'm like, why are you blocking my way, right? So I got out of the car and started shouting, get the hell out of my way. And then he did move the car ahead, but then I realized the reason he was stuck in the middle of the way was because he was helping, like somebody was helping an old man. I don't know, that old man was his father or who, out of the car and on a wheelchair, right? And suddenly I realized I'd become an asshole. And then when I moved out, I asked the guy to roll his window down, and he rolled his window down. And I said, I'm so sorry, I didn't know what is happening. And yeah, I mean, there are times we could become assholes even when we don't know that what's going on, right? So by mistake, I'd become an asshole. So I did apologize, and दिल मत दुखाओ यार किसी का, माफ़ी मांग लो गलती दुखा लो. Hi guys, this is about 9 p.m. right now, and I'm about to go on stage. There are 2 shows, 9 and 11, and I think the first show is full, about 25-30 tickets, and the second show had 17 tickets, about 7:30. So I think उसमें भी 25 लोग हो जाएंगे. So दोनों शो की ऑडियंस बहुत अच्छी है, पर मैं थका हूँ, मुझे नींद आ रही है. Because last night I had broken sleep, पता नहीं क्यों, although I had dinner at 6 o'clock. So yeah, I'm a little drowsy, but what the heck. I just had my dinner today also at about 8:45. 15-20 minutes back I had my dinner. I had chicken breast, so I hope it's not too late also. So 8:45, 3 घंटे तो मैं अभी लगेंगे सोने में. So ना अगर मैं 11:45 तक भी सोता हूँ, so I'll have those 3 hours to kind of digest the food. Chicken breast should be easy to digest relatively. Okay, I had a lot of carbs in the lunch today. I had rice and dahi. I had pulav and dahi, and I had parantha, and I had some pethe ki sabji. I don't know what you call petha in English. So I had all of that. Galole also. I don't know what you call galole in English also. So I had a lot of carbs during lunch. So right now I just had protein and some veggies and some mashed potato. So mostly low carbs dinner. Okay, I'm stuttering. What the fuck? But I'll do both shows. I'll do a spot in 11 and I'll host 9. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye. Hey guys, a quick day review because I want to sleep. It's already about 7 minutes to midnight, which is my usual time to close the day. I had 3 shows tonight. This evening I had a show at NOC, which went really well. I kicked ass. It was a spot I did. Then 9 and 11 there were 2 shows. 9 o'clock I posted. Both shows were full. Like there were 30 plus people in both 9 and 11 PM shows. Crazy number of people came in today, and both shows went well. The other show's on right now as we talk. It'll finish about 1. Then I hit the gym in the morning. Actually hitting the gym in the morning makes my evening free, which is good, but generally I don't do it because I sleep late. So yeah. So otherwise the weather is really pleasant right now. Thankfully there was some rain, and that's sucked off the heat. So the weather is really pleasant right now. So the day was good overall. It was a bit of a run around, so I'm a little tired, but I gotta sleep, and I want to sleep on time so that I can get up for the gym tomorrow again in the morning. Then I think I'm hitting 2 or 3 shows tomorrow as well. Alright, so that would be it for the day review. I guess that's about it. Yeah, bye.